That horn right there. Yeah! Ugly! Yeah, what do you got to say? What do you have to say?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, what do you have to say?
He said Alora
Is a what?
Nothing.
What do you have to say?
I said Alora. You get.
What do you have to say?
He said
All I want to do is that Laura's single. She was in love with my cousin.
No, I'm not.
She's in love with Tice still, I believe so.
No, I'm not.
She's in love with her new boyfriend.
Yeah.
And I'm in love with my
Cousin.
Ah! You're
No.
disgusting.
Her little brother right here. She's in love with this guy.
You're disgusting.
Junior. Hi.
You see gummy bears?
She loves her.
Cousin.
You said her cousin.
I said Herm. She loves Herm.
She loves Herman.
Herman. She loves Herman.
Who's Herman?
The worm. You never heard that
I
song?
heard.
I had.
I was sitting on her face, so slapping on my mouth. Watching the birds fly. Along came Herman the worm. He was listening. Does that actually like doing to David Jr.? It's funny.
Huh?
Okay.
What is that?
She's a unicorn!
What is that?
Yeah, underneath your nerves.
What is that? Bear.
I'm a panda bear. Thank you very much.
Listen to my little panda bear.
Panda, panda, panda.
Panda, panda, panda!
That's
Okay.
the camera.
You think?
I'm gonna be getting a new phone.
No one cares.
You can have my old one.
No
No,
one cares.
I can have.
Yeah, I get her old phone.
Cause we found it on the front camera.
That's in the I get your old.
But what am I supposed to do with that? What if I don't feel like reading over Facebook, any messenger?
You still have.
Too bad. I'm getting your own phone.
No, my feet then. Just kidding. What is changing?
You little nasty. She came in like a wrecking ball.
Nasty.
Ooh, let's go to Narnia. So this is Narnia.
Welcome to Narnia.
Yep, Narnia. Okay. This is where Stop it! I actually need that for it.
No.
Leah, stop! You're gonna waste the battery.
I
I need that.